Ladies and gentlemen, the Bean Tech Solutions here. Welcome back. This here contains my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and my Watch 8 Ultra. I'll be doing an unboxing of both devices today. Let me get a pair of scissors real quick. Okay, scissors obtained. I realize you might not be able to see much. It's because the light's not really producing that much available light. Hang on. That's better. Pretty sure you guys can see now. Okay. Oh no, this is just the Watch 6 Ultra, the Watch 8 Ultra. Look at that. $800 watch, by the way. Neat. Oh. Look at that beauty. Probably an accessories pack or something. Oh. I have to assemble the watch itself. Okay. Information and warranty card. Extra watch charger, except I've already got one plugged in. There's a beautiful strap itself. Alright. I thought I was going to get my phone today, but it turns out I just got the watch. I believe the phone is Oscar Mike, or on the way. I'll upload a brand new video with the phone unboxing as soon as I get it. But that has been my unboxing for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Ultra. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.